Y'all. What even? I almost like feel bad. Like I wish I could give you guys all gifts too. I just keep getting so many. What is happening? All right, let's find out. Let's find out what's in here. It says Satara in the preparation, but I don't think that's working. I'm gonna have to cut it. It's kind of dirty because it was like rainy outside. Alright! Oh, yes! Oh my gosh. Look at these beautiful... Okay, I really love Tombow dual brush pens, especially for my bullet journals. A lot of things on my list have been bullet journal centric instead of like art centric, but I really, really love these, and I'm excited for these colors. I have mostly like pastel, and like I have a citrus set, so now this galaxy set will be awesome. I'm super, super excited for this. These colors will be great. Let's see who it's from. Okay. Hi V, it's my turn to hopefully bring you a smile. I love to see the joy in your heart, and I know that you can find that in art. Keep with it and just keep being you. You're wonderful. Aw, it doesn't say who it's from. I don't know who it's from. They didn't write their name. I don't know, but if you gave me this gift, please let me know. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. I'm just beside myself. I can't believe all of the lovely things I've gotten, and oh man, I've wanted these for a while as well. Totally gonna play around with them today. Wow, I'm just still so overwhelmed that people are sending me gifts, like all these gifts. Oh my gosh. And I don't even know who to thank in this one. I'm sorry. But thank you so much. You definitely brought me a smile. I'm very flattered. Okay, I need to stop rambling in these videos, but you guys just, you made me like at a loss for words. I'm just so like, wow. Wow. Well, thank you again, everybody, for sending me gifts. I can't believe this keeps happening, and thank you, Mystery Cinder, of these Galaxy dual brush pens. I will totally be trying them out soon. Thank you so much. Hope you guys are having a great day, because I am.